Bonnie, happy Thursday. Check it out. I have got a BoxyCharm Getaway. This is the Luxe box. I'm so excited to get my Luxe box every month. It's not every month. I get BoxyCharm every month, and then every 3 months, you get the Luxe box for, you pay $21 every month for BoxyCharm, and then it's $28.99, I think, for the Luxe every 3 months. But I love it, so we're all good. Got my cheat sheet here. I have got box 6B. So first item, check it out. I believe this is the hair dryer. This is, I was so excited to get the hair dryer. I love these mini hair dryers. This is an $85 value. Oops, I'm dropping the little things here. It's purple. I don't know. Did everyone get a different color? Let me know what color you got. This is so cute though. These are not heavy. That's why we like them. My mom loves these because they're really light. So that was cool. So I'm super excited that I got a cute little hair dryer with a case. And that is by, who is the hair dryer by? PYT Mini Turbo on the Go Dryer. Next up, okay, I think I'm next super excited about the Tarte Pro Glow 3. I have the original. I love this one. This one is actually just like a highlighter palette, and that vanilla smell from Tarte is so awesome. So I was really excited that I got the palette. So I'm going to pull this open. Same concept here where it opens up. Little piece of paper in here. Look how pretty this is. Oh my gosh. So you're going to get some blush. You're going to get some highlighter. This one doesn't smell. Oh my gosh. Okay, that's disappointing. We don't have the vanilla smell. That's really interesting that this one does not have the vanilla smell. This one does. I love that Tarte vanilla smell. That's okay. It's still pretty. But that is the Pro Glow palette. And that is a $45 value. Why isn't the vanilla smell in there? It's going to bug me. I'm going to have to research that. I'm really dwelling on that. Okay, next up from Dominique Cosmetics, we have a Lemonade lip gloss. Where is that? I think it's right here. And let me look. Lemonade lip gloss. That sounds kind of interesting. $17 value. Pull this guy out of here. Must be pink lemonade. Check it out. Look at that. Packaging's really pretty. Does it smell like lemonade? It smells like vanilla. This is the smell I was expecting in the Tarte palette. But it is pretty. So that's okay. I wonder why it's called lemonade. Must be the shade. It smells good. It's supposed to add fullness to your lips. What'd you say, Mom?
Pink lemonade.
It's pink lemonade, exactly. So that's an awesome product. I will definitely use that this summer. Next up, we have the Dr. Brand's Clean Biotic pH Balanced Yogurt Cleanser. Is this it? Yes, Dr. Brand. I don't know why I said Dr. Brand's. You know why? Because it's got the trademark at the end. I'm like, I never heard of Dr. Brand's. How funny is that? Dr. Brand. I love Dr. Brand. That's what I thought it was, but I'm like, maybe it's a different company. So I'm just going to open this. This is a $35 value. I swear I can't see it all. My allergies are so bad this summer. Let's see what this smells like. Not really a scent on this, though. I will definitely use this. This is going right in the bathroom. It's a pH balanced yogurt cleanser with chlorophyll. How awesome is that? Looks like it's Korean beauty going on here. Maybe not. I see something in Korean on the back there. Let me see. Powered by a biotech balancing complex. Gets rid of excess oil. Let the plants do the dirty work. Okay, I'm ready for my plants to do the dirty work. Okay, that's exciting. I like that. So that was a yes. Next up from Pharmacy, $58 value. This is a night serum. I have so many night serums. I got to gift a few of these. My aunt will like this. Pharmacy Honey Moon Glow. I'm probably going to keep this one though. This one looks nice. Let me see. Ooh, what the heck is this thing? It's not like a doe foot. It just looks like, that is really weird. It just looks like a stick. Does anyone else's look like this? That's just really odd. There's no, is there supposed to be a brush on the bottom of this? That is really strange. That this, let me know if yours looks really strange like that. Ugh, got it on my lip. It's a 3-in-1 serum that rehydrates. I just can't imagine. I will have to look this up. Apply a generous layer. You know why? It's a pump. Oh my gosh. You guys must be thinking I'm the lamest human on the planet. Aren't you glad we can laugh about this stuff? I am not that lame. I just assumed we undid it. And I'm like, this is the weirdest looking brush I have ever seen. Oh my gosh. I think I need sleep or something. Okay, so anyway, look, it's a pump. This is what happens when you're over 45. I hope you guys like my little goofs. I think it's funny. Younger generation's probably gone, she doesn't know what she's talking about. Did you see what I did, Mom? Now everyone's laughing at me hysterically. I could edit that out, but I'm not going to edit it out. I'm going to put the true me on here. Let me know if anyone else did that. See if I'm the only one. That is really funny. Okay. Next up, let's see if I can do this. Okay, a living proof full dry volume blast, $29 value. This is, ooh, check that out. I'm just having all kinds of problems. Little dry shampoo going on here. Check it out. My hair's clean, so I don't know if it did anything. Not bad. This is an instant lasting volume and texturizer. I think I got a little more volume going on there. I'll use this. I used to be really down on dry shampoo. This is actually a dry volume blast though. So I'm not actually sure this is a dry shampoo. This is more of a, creates instant volume and texture and is a UV protector. So I don't think this is a dry shampoo. Check this out, Mom. This like gives you a ton of volume. Woohoo, look at that. Got a lot of volume now. That's pretty funny. Okay, next up, Trestique. Now, oh my gosh, I had a major faux pas the other day with Trestique because I didn't show you guys the gloss on the bottom of that lip balm. I'm like, totally missed it. So this is gonna be confusing. So I think there's a curler on here. This is the strangest mascara. So flip down to curl. Flip down to curl. Oh my gosh, look at this. Okay, check this out. It's actually, it's an eyelash curler with your mascara. I've never seen anything like this before in my life. It's kind of cool. So you put your mascara, do you curl or curl? I'm thinking you curl first because if you did, okay, treat your lashes to fun. I'm assuming that you're going to curl first and then put it on because if you put it on and then curled, it's probably going to get all over the place. So how cool is that? That's a really interesting little product there that you got the curler with the mascara. That's a $25 value. I see, am I missing something here? Okay, Skin and Company. We got the Truffle Therapy Illuminating Skin Refresh Mist. I love Skin and Company, so that's a cool product, $35. And then I have another product in here. Why am I not seeing this on the list? Oh, I see it up here. It's the, is this it? Yes, Touch in Soul No Pore Blame Prime Essence. Check this out. This is, oh, I'm just getting all goopy all over the place. No scent on that one. What does this do? It's a $23 value. Let your makeup stay. Okay, so basically it's a makeup primer. So that's pretty cool too. Look at that. So overall, a really great box. I think my favorite products are the, even though it doesn't have the vanilla scent, I am loving the Tarte Pro Glow. Completely awesome. I think I'm really liking the Living Proof volumizer there. That is pretty cool. The hair dryer, absolutely loving that. Oh, the Dr. Brand I really like. I don't know. I like everything this month. I can honestly say I don't think there's a product in here that I'm like, about. So anyway, let me know what you guys think, and let me know what you got in your BoxyCharm box, and let me know if you had any product malfunctions like me. So anyway, happy relax. This shirt is really weird. It's like this tank top. I'm having a clothing malfunction too. I'm having a bad day. My brother's laughing at me. So anyway, Bath and Body Works, 1050 candles right now. Get them online and in store. I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.